Hello everyone, this is Greg from Greg Express Travels. This is week number 5 of my do-it-yourself bathroom renovation. The reason I'm calling it that is because I'm helping out a little bit with the work, but I'm just really using just one contractor instead of multiple contractors and subcontractors. So you can see we've made some progress here by tiling the entire floor now here in the bathroom, as well as into the toilet area. And then over here in the shower area at the start of week 5, we do have, of course, the shower floor that was done. And we're starting to do some of the tile work here. So you can just see it's getting laid out. So it's just the beginning of week 5, but this is where we're starting off with for week number 5 with finishing the floor and getting ready to set up the vanity. Okay, as we continue on with week number 5, the big surprise you're going to see here is the floor is completely done inside the bathroom, and we have brought in the vanity. So it was a heavy item to lift, but make sure you got extra help to do things like that. Lifting up the vanity, putting on the sink top, it's all set to go. We'll take a quick look in here. The toilet is going to be installed this week as well, so we're excited about that. And then, of course, the shower itself, progressing along here. We're starting to get some tile down. But the real focus yesterday was working on getting the floor completed 100% and then getting the vanity up in its proper place. Just a tip here to make sure you got lots of space for your contractor to work in. And be patient. It will take time, and you're going to be making a lot of trips to Home Depot and Lowe's or your local hardware store to get parts that you may need. So just be prepared for that. Well, here we are at the end of week number 6, and the nice thing is the floor tile is completely done. Most of the walls are completely painted now, our dark gray color. And the vanity is in place. And this coming Monday, the plumber will be here to do what he needs to do to get all the plumbing done for the vanity so we can have those sinks up and running. We've got a little bit more painting here to do. You can kind of see some of the gold color, original color, compared to what's going on with the gray color, which looks really good. And inside the shower area, we started some of the tile work. So thank you for watching. This is the end of week number 5. See you on the next video for week number 6.